My name is Boyan. I'm the CEO of StorPool Storage. StorPool is a software data platform that builds clouds out of standard servers. It replaces storage appliances and another storage software, and it's extremely fast, extremely reliable, and extremely scalable. StorPool is one of the long-standing partners of CloudStack. We're deeply integrated with the solution. We have some of the larger customers and users of CloudStack. We help companies that are using CloudStack to have very good storage solution. CloudStack Collaboration Conference is a very good place to meet users and customers that are utilizing CloudStack and to learn about the new things that are coming up, the problems that people are having, to understand what is the roadmap, what are the challenges, what are the functionalities that people need and the functionalities you can build. So it's a very tight community with high quality talks. So it's a must attend event in my view. We support CloudStack. We always exhibit at the event. We have a number of talks this year. We'll do a workshop about deploying StorPool with CloudStack. We'll also have a very interesting topic about how to deal with the hardware shortage and insanely high prices, which I think is applicable to everybody that is using CloudStack or is looking to change from other virtualization platforms to CloudStack, about how to increase the utilization of the resources that they already have. So this is going to be, I think, a very interesting talk. I'd like to invite everybody who is considering or using CloudStack to come and join the CloudStack Collaboration Conference. I'll be happy to meet you there and discuss how we can help you and also kind of exchange ideas and exchange knowledge. We're happy to have you there.